our Berg Storm Dog Outdoors here at the 2012 Ohio Deer and Turkey Expo. Lots of people here already. It's the first day of the expo. Stay tuned to stormdogoutdoors.com for all the latest updates.
Yeah?
You're so stupid, because we could have used that. So you said, yeah, you're so dumb.
Hi folks, Mike here at Storm Dog Outdoors, and set back up on this CRP field that we've got. It's CRP and alfalfa set, or alfalfa field. Sorry, bean field.
Up and say I truly love what I do, and that's what I'm about now.
Excellent. Last question I had for you, and it's the most serious question of all of them. Do you frequently break wind while in a ground blind?
That's a great question. Depends on who I'm hunting with. If it's my brothers, yeah, absolutely. The more the merrier. If it's my son, no. Not. Yes, I do. I do every chance I get.
Hey folks, SDO Doug here, out here on a hunt tonight, and I've got my Alps outdoors packed, and I wouldn't be. Hey folks, SDO Doug here. I'm out here on a hunt tonight. You won't be disappointed. In October, and
as I was getting ready to shoot, Mike pushed me down. There wasn't much I could do about it. I think he's mad. He's jealous. So, it's just the kind of people you run into in this business.
Well, folks, it's December 19th. And
December already?
it is December. It is December. Yes. That's it. I was hoping for some colder weather.
How you gonna? I don't know how it works. On the motor.
He doesn't even have a tail.
Alright everybody, it's September 29th, Ohio opening day of bow season for us here. September 29th, Ohio's opening day of its bow season, archery season. To bring you guys some great video. Got interrupted there. Got an afternoon hunt here scheduled with my good friend. Oh crap, that was not good.
Oh, stop and record, genius. You're supposed to make more than one video. Dumb.
Are you freaking
You
kidding?
said about 10 times.
Well, here we are. Bar none. What the freak? Who's the other one? Couldn't do it.
Performance Chrysler Jeep, blah, blah, blah.
Hey, take two.
Just leave it.
Okay,
Just
great.
leave it.